CoinEx OnChain. What is OnChain? OnChain is CoinEx's token order service. It combines the advantages of decentralized exchanges with the convenience of centralized exchanges. With OnChain, users can trade a diverse range of on-chain assets on CoinEx without engaging directly with the blockchain, enhancing both efficiency and security. How to complete on-chain transactions. Buying and selling are the core operations of on-chain transactions. Buying involves using USDT, or ETH, BNB, SOL, from the spot account to purchase the target cryptocurrency, while selling converts the on-chain assets held in the spot account into USDT or the native token of the corresponding public chain. Buying on-chain assets in 4 steps. Let's take the on-chain assets on the Solana network as an example. Step 1. Locate on-chain asset. Go to Spot, OnChain Trading, and check out the hot list on the left. Search for the asset you want to buy via the hot list, or by entering the smart contract address. Step 2. Place order in trading zone. Once you locate the trading token, choose either a market order or a stop market order in the trading zone. 1. Place market order. Select Market in trading zone, enter the payment amount. Use the quick shortcuts, 25%, 50%, 75%, or max, to input the corresponding amount of the payment cryptocurrency. The default payment cryptocurrency is USDT. You can also switch it to the native token of the corresponding public chain. Set the slippage tolerance, default is 5%. The size of the slippage tolerance will affect the range of the final amount received. 2. Place stop market order. The steps for placing a stop market order are similar to those of a market order. But you need to set a trigger price or trigger market value. When the market price reaches the trigger price, or when the token's market value reaches the trigger market value, the system will automatically submit a market order. Stop market orders are valid for 30 days by default, and currently cannot be modified. If the trigger price is not met within the set time frame, the order will be automatically cancelled. Step 3. Complete trade, check order. View the estimated amount to be received and the minimum amount guaranteed. Then click Buy. Review the order details, and click Confirm to submit the order. Once the order is successfully created, you can check market orders under Pending Order, or find stop market orders under Pending Order, Stop Market Order. You can also cancel these orders by clicking Cancel. How to sell on-chain assets. Go to Spot, OnChain, Assets. Locate the asset you want to sell, and choose Trade. To sell via market order, set the slippage tolerance. To sell via stop market order, besides slippage tolerance, you also need to set a trigger price or value, and then enter the amount to sell. Choose the currency to receive. Click Sell and wait for the transaction to complete. If you encounter any issues when trading on-chain, please visit our help center for more details, or submit a ticket to contact CoinEx support. CoinEx, your crypto trading expert.